Zidane is the tallest, is he?
No. Cristiano Ronaldo
Is the tallest.
Is the tallest.
Tallest.
is the tallest.
Hello. Very good work. Today we did a lot of work on superlative and comparative. Let's revise the basics of that now. Okay, so here we have Ben, Bill and Bob. And they are all big men. As a comparative, we can say Bob is bigger than Bill. Bill is bigger than Ben, and Bob is bigger than Ben. As a superlative, we can say Bob is the biggest. And so then we used that language to compare these three cars. We've got the Toyota, we've got the Land Rover, and we've got the Jeep Cherokee. There are many points of comparison. Let's just pick two. The first one, height. And so the Jeep, 1,807, the Toyota, 1,830, and the Land Rover, 2,021 millimeters. So we can say the Toyota is slightly higher than the Jeep, but the Land Rover is the highest, and it is much higher. The Land Rover is much higher than the other two. Now let's talk about cost. How expensive are they? All right, the Jeep, price £23,600, the Land Rover, £24,700, and the Toyota, £28,000. So we can say the Land Rover is slightly more expensive than the Jeep, but the Toyota is the most expensive. Then we began Unit 4, and we talked about using verb ing as the subject. We can make it the subject of a title. For instance, collecting the rocks, controlling the movement, moving the cutter. These are all parts of the process description, and we matched the headings to the correct paragraph. Then we looked at the passive because there's a lot of passive in the process description. For example, large scoops collect the rocks. The rocks are collected by large scoops. Present simple passive, we use it for process description. Read this at home, look at this at home, think about this at home. It's the process description for changing the oil in your car. Think about changing this to passive. We'll do it on Wednesday, but think about it at home. See you on Wednesday.
Okay.
Who is the oldest?
The oldest, Cristiano. The oldest is Zainuddin.
I work at 35 megawatt section of the operations department.
We have finished this one.
174.
We get to that. First we do this one. Then we have to think about